What a dollhouse! 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, open floor plan, fenced yard, quiet street, convenient location, move-in ready. This home has been lovingly maintained and it shows pride of ownership. Attractive exterior with cozy covered front porch. Inside, enjoy the openness of the living room and kitchen as they open together. Brand new windows offer great views and lower utilities. Big eat-in kitchen with new flooring, great counter space, cute corner sink and kitchen appliances can remain. Laundry room with storage space, plus great closets and a pull-down attic access for more storage. Spacious primary bedroom with full private bath. Out back, enjoy the deck, pergola, shed, garden and nice shade tree. Dead-end street. Convenient location right off Beulah Church Road at Snyder. Home sweet home.